How to buy Moonkey token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. So if you click on their websites, you will be able to see this page as you can see. So this token is available on DEX stores and DEX screener. If you go and open the DEX screener, as you can see, you will open this page of that token on their platform. Now wait a few seconds to verify that you are a human. So now after that, what you need to do, so as you can see, this is the page of that token on the screen. As you can see, so the liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, now copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under this wallet. So you can open your funds wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, now this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, into provider, select the provider that you want to buy from, for example Jupiter. After that, make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be redirected to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a Moonkey token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.